Peugeot introduced the new LANDTREK, entering the 1-ton pickup segment. 3.5 tons towing capacity, versatility, different body shapes, real off-road and overtaking capabilities with unbeatable robustness and ease of repair. The new Peugeot LANDTREK offers record capacity of the body, the advanced modularity, the comfort worthy of a saloon car, and its strong design make it a benchmark proposal in the segment. The exterior design is imposing with an assertive personality. It incorporates all the brand's current codes, with vertical grille featuring the lion in the center and also vertical LED light signatures, depending on the version. The style of the aluminum wheels is taken from the other vehicles of the brand while guaranteeing their robustness in intense use, 4x4, heavy-duty or motorway use. The interior is adapted to the 1-ton pickup segment with, in particular, a 2-spoke steering wheel echoing that of the Peugeot 3008 and a 10-inch HD screen at the top of the dashboard inspired by that of the brand's flagship vehicle, the Peugeot 508. The style and construction of the seats embody the codes of the brand's latest creations. In addition to an attractive style, the brand's specifications imposed a robust design so that the new Peugeot LANDTREK is functional and enduring, while being well suited for outdoor leisure activities. Without compromise on reliability, with 2 million kilometers of testing on all terrains and in all weather. As 1-ton pickup customers want real transport capacity, the Peugeot LANDTREK has the most accommodating cargo box in the segment. The payload exceeds 1 ton and can even reach 1.2 tons on some versions. In addition, this loading area is illuminated via LEDs and allows you to connect accessories via a dedicated 12-volt socket.